Hello guys, welcome back to Zig the Programming Guide channel. My name is Beatrice, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to reshare posts on WhatsApp. So you can actually repost or reshare a video, photo, or text someone posted from their status straight to your status without no stress. Yes, I really love that feature which some WhatsApp actually brought out. So I'm going to show you that. So you have to open up your WhatsApp app just like this. As you can see on my screen, you can see this icon, this arrow right here. Once I click on that, I'll be able to repost this person's video. Right, let me go back. Sorry, I click on that right there. You can see it's on my own status now. So I'm going to share this right here and go to my status to see that, and wait for it. It's still loading. So once it's loaded, now you're going to see it's going to be written right there, reshared. So you can see right there on my screen that it was reshared. You can see right there. So I'm going to show you how to actually activate that. So what you need to do is click on these three dots right here and click on status privacy. Once you click on that, you have to turn this on to allow people to reshare your videos and your pictures as well. So this is how to share a video or post on WhatsApp. If this guide was helpful, give this a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.